Good morning, students. Let us discuss about our lesson. Let us continue the previous topic. In the last video we have discussed about agriculture, the types of farming. In that video we have discussed about subsistence farming and commercial farming. Subsistence farming is divided into primitive farming and intensive farming. Primitive farming, again it was divided into two parts: nomadic herdings and shifting cultivation. Commercial farming, it was divided into two: mixed farming and plantation farming. I also gave you the introduction about the cropping pattern in India. There are three types of cropping pattern in India. They are Rabi crops, Kharif crop and Zaid crops. We are going to discuss about their sowing time, harvesting time. Sowing time means when we sow the seeds. Okay, after tilling the land, we sow the seeds. Harvesting time, when the crop is ready to be cut. Okay, that is harvesting. If I talk about the Rabi crops, sowing time means October to December. October, November, December. All these 3 months is used for sowing the seeds. Then leave the January month, February, March and April. These 3 months is used for harvesting the crop. As you can see in the TV today, nowadays we are seeing the news of coronavirus. Farmers are suffering that the crops is ready to be harvested, but the farmers cannot come out of the house. They are not getting the machines. All these things we can see in the TV. So which crop is ready to be cut? That is Rabi crop. Okay, the crops that are included in the Rabi crops are wheat, barley, peas, gram and oil seeds. Again I am repeating. The crops, Rabi crops are wheat, barley, peas, gram and oil seeds. The areas where they are grown in India are Punjab, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir, Uttar Pradesh and Uttarakhand. As I have asked you to learn the political map of India, all the states with their capital, the first map was that. If you have learned it, you will be noticing that all these states, they are lying in the northern part of India: Punjab, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir, Uttar Pradesh and Uttarakhand. Clear? Now see Kharif crop. See, sowing time May, June, July. Leave 1 month, August. Then harvesting time September, October. These 2 months are for harvesting Kharif crop. The crops that are included in the Kharif crops are rice, maize, jowar, bajra, sugarcane and jute. Again I am telling you: rice, maize, jowar, bajra, sugarcane and jute. The areas that are included are Assam, West Bengal, Andhra Pradesh, Kerala, Maharashtra and coastal areas of Odisha. Again, Assam, West Bengal, Andhra Pradesh, Kerala, Maharashtra and coastal areas of Odisha. Okay, if you notice, West Bengal in the east side, Assam in the east side, Andhra Pradesh in the southeast side, Kerala southwest side, Maharashtra in the western side and the coastal areas of Odisha. These are the crops of Kharif and the area included in it. Zaid crops. Sowing time April, May, June. These are the crops which you like very much. Watermelon, muskmelon, cucumber. All these crops are included in the Zaid crops. Mango is also nowadays you can see very tasty. You get water in your mouth. I know it very well. So let me again, the sowing time is April to June. This is the time for the harvesting also. Okay. So crops are watermelon, muskmelon, cucumber, mango. All these are included in the Zaid crops. Okay. So what I told you about the cropping pattern in India? Rabi crops, Kharif crops, Zaid crops. Rabi crops sowing time October to December. Harvesting time February to April. Crops are wheat, barley, peas, gram, oilseeds. Areas are Punjab, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir, Uttar Pradesh and Uttarakhand. Kharif sowing time is May to July. Harvesting time September, October. Crops are rice, maize, jowar, bajra, sugarcane and jute. Areas are Assam, West Bengal, Andhra Pradesh, Kerala, Maharashtra and coastal areas of Odisha. Zaid crops sowing time, harvesting time April to June. Crops watermelon, cucumber, etc. Now let us discuss about the major crops. Now let us discuss about the major crops. Major crops includes food crops, non-food crops and the crops by which we produce by horticulture. Okay. In food crops, grains, plantation. Grains include rice, wheat, millets, maize, pulses. Plantation, as I have already explained you, that plantation on a large piece of land, when the crops are grown for the commercial purpose. It includes sugarcane, oilseeds, tea, coffee. Okay. Non-food items means that is not used for food. Rubber, cotton, jute, hemp, natural silk. Horticulture includes fruits and vegetables. Fruits and vegetables comes in which category? Horticulture crops. So major crops includes food crops, non-food crops, horticulture crops. Food crops are grains. In grains, what are those? Rice, wheat, millets, maize, pulses. Plantation, sugarcane, oilseeds, tea, coffee. Non-food crops, rubber, cotton, jute, hemp, natural silk. So, in the next video, we will be discussing about these major crops individually. Thank you.